APC have developed world-class continuous process technology and capabilities. From early-stage process design, performing technology feasibility assessments, to later-stage technology design, process qualification, and tech transfer. APC supports the design of fully integrated continuous processes. Managing scale-up to large-scale continuous commercial assets, APC supports its partners to expedite development, compress capital and manufacturing costs, and improve product quality and safety. This two-step API process, designed and fabricated by APC, produces in excess of 8 kilos per 24 hours. This setup was transferred to our client's GMP facility and now services their Phase 3 requirement.